Okay, so here's the formula for area of a circle. We have A equals pi r squared. What does that mean? It means the area equals pi, which is 3.14, times the radius times the radius. So that's what we're doing right here is radius squared is not radius times 2. Radius times 2 equals diameter. Radius squared is radius times radius. Meaning if this r was a 5, it would be 5 times 5. Or if it was a 2, it would be 2 times 2. If it was a 10, it would be 10 times 10. It is not radius times 2. This square means that's how many times you're multiplying whatever this number is right here by itself. Pi, we know, is 3.14. We've been dealing that with circumference. And then A equals area. So this is the formula that you will be using to figure out area of a circle.